What if your closet told a story, not of trends or rush or fleeting impulse, but of slowness, of love, and of handmade care? What if getting dressed each morning felt like poetry? I believe it can. Welcome back to Beyond the Fabric. Today, we're threading together something close to my heart, sewing a sustainable and beautiful wardrobe. Not just for the sake of the earth, though that matters deeply, but for the sake of grace, for the quiet joy of wearing something that feels like you. Maybe you're sewing right now, or maybe you're folding laundry, walking the dog, or sipping something warm. Wherever this podcast finds you, may it feel like a gentle exhale. Sewing your own clothing is more than a creative outlet. It's a quiet form of self-respect, of dignity. When I step into a linen dress that I've sewn with my own two hands, there's a sense of belonging to myself, to the season, and even to the rhythm of the work that I do in my home. There's freedom here. Freedom from sizing charts that never quite understand the shape of your shoulders or the curve of your waist. Freedom from synthetic fabrics that cling or scratch. And freedom, most of all, from the fast fashion cycle that's built on discontent. When we sew, we choose. We choose how something feels, how it moves, how it lives with us over time. Each stitch is a whisper. You're worth the time and you're worth the care. So let's talk about fabric. It's the very skeleton of every garment. One might even say it's the soul of the garment. Linen is definitely my favorite, and I really love linen cotton blends. There's just something about it, the way it softens with age, the way it breathes in the summer sun. It carries a fresh scent as I pull it out of the dryer. I especially love the earthy feel of washed linen. From the light crispness of a new bolt to the earthy feel of washed and dried linen, it's all so beautiful. Organic cotton is another love of mine. Whether it's making a crisp dress from poplin or a cotton jersey for everyday tops. Not too tight, not too loose. And when it's organic, you can rest assured in the difference. There's a kind of purity with organic cotton. It's just softness and simplicity. When I pair a linen skirt with a cotton knit top, I just feel like myself. I'm wrapped in comfort with just a touch of grace. And that's what I hope for you too. Dear friend, if you're like me, juggling the sweet chaos of motherhood, slow living, and nourishing your family, you might sometimes forget to nourish yourself. That's where Equip Protein steps in. Designed with simplicity and strength in mind, it's made from real whole food ingredients. No gums, no fillers, just clean, beef-based fuel for your beautiful body. As women, our protein needs tend to be overlooked. Whether you're healing, growing a baby, chasing toddlers, or simply trying to feel vibrant and well, your body needs more protein than you might think. Equip makes it easy and truly enjoyable. My listeners get a special offer, 15% off a one-time purchase or 30% off your first subscription order with the code GABBY. Shop now at equipfoods.com/Gabby and give your body the strength it deserves, simply, cleanly, and deliciously. If you're just starting to make the switch to natural fibers, start slow. Choose one beautiful piece of organic fabric, maybe a dusty rose, a moss green, a creamy undyed cotton. Let it become something you reach for again and again. For me, most days begin with a dress or a skirt. I love the ease of it, the way the fabric moves with me. It brings a little touch of elegance into my everyday in homemaking. The way that it catches the morning light as I sweep the kitchen floor or stir a hearty soup. I chose it, I made it, it fits me. When choosing fabric, think about the colors that bring you peace or that provide energy, the shapes that make you feel rooted. Let your wardrobe become something beautiful, simple lines and a beautiful rhythm. If you're an experienced sewist, you already know sewing slowly is its own kind of meditation. Whether I'm stitching a hem or pinning a bodice together in the quiet of nap time, I feel connected to the process, to the person who will wear this piece, usually me or my kids, and something deeper that I can't always name. When we sew slowly, we sew better. Stronger seams, neater finishes, garments that last not just through a season, but through many years. I really love French seams. And there's so much beauty that can be added to the details, maybe a flower or a vine along the hemline. Once I received a gift from my daughter, a simple linen dress, but the bodice had been hand embroidered with flowers and it transformed the whole garment. It's one of our most treasured pieces. These little touches are where memories live. Choosing to dress with care, even when no one sees me, is such an important way for me to feel rooted in my work and to add value to everything that I do. For me, it was absolutely transformative. Even if I'm just folding laundry, tending to little ones, or answering emails, dressing for the day has really changed my life. When I put something on that's beautiful in the morning, something that fits well and feels comfortable, it changes how I move throughout the day. I feel more ready to offer warmth to others. Some people might claim that that's just vanity, but I think it's dignity. It's choosing to reflect the beauty that we carry inside and bring it forth outward. So as you plan your next project, I hope that you can reflect not just on how you feel while you're making it, but also how you feel while you wear it. Do you want to feel soft and serene, strong and ready, graceful, earthly, energetic? Let your wardrobe become an extension of your spirit. As we close today, I'd love to leave you with a question. What's one garment that you can sew for this season or perhaps for the next season that would bring you both comfort and joy? Maybe it's a linen skirt, maybe it's a knit top, maybe it's a favorite apron. Whatever it is, may it bring you closer to who you are, and may the process of making it be just as beautiful as the piece itself. If you're feeling inspired to begin but don't really know where to start, I have a free download that you might enjoy, a quick guide to eco-friendly fabrics. It's my gift to you, and you can find the link in the show notes. Until next time, may your hands be busy and your heart be light.